Imagine a place where time slows down, where the boundary between indoors and outdoors blurs, and where life's simple pleasures take center stage. Welcome to the world of Rustic Farmhouse Verandas. As we embark on this journey through beautiful outdoor spaces, let yourself be transported to a simpler time. Picture yourself approaching a farmhouse in the distance, its welcoming veranda beckoning you closer. With each step, the details come into focus, revealing a space that's both familiar and enchanting. You step onto weathered wooden planks, feeling the texture beneath your feet. Each board tells a story of years gone by, of countless footsteps, of summer rains and winter snows. The patina of age gives the wood a character that can't be replicated, a beauty that only time can bestow. The air around you is fresh and sweet, carrying the scent of blooming flowers and freshly cut grass, with perhaps a hint of lavender from nearby planters. Overhead, a protective roof extends its shelter, creating an outdoor room that embraces you in comfort. Sturdy beams, perhaps with a touch of rustic wrought iron, support the structure, their strength a reassuring presence. Sunlight filters through, casting a warm glow and creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. As your eyes adjust, you begin to notice the myriad details that make each veranda unique. Here, a collection of rocking chairs invites you to sit and stay a while. Can you hear the gentle creak as they sway back and forth? It's a soothing rhythm, almost like a lullaby, reminiscent of simpler times. Nearby, a porch swing suspended by thick ropes sways gently in the breeze, promising hours of relaxation and quiet contemplation. You can almost feel the gentle motion, lulling you into a state of peaceful reverie. Soft cushions and cozy throws in muted natural tones add layers of comfort, beckoning you to sink in and let your cares melt away. The fabrics are a tactile delight, perhaps soft linen, nubby cotton, or plush velvet, each one chosen not just for its look, but for the way it feels against your skin. Textures abound: smooth wood, rough stone, soft fabrics, each one a tactile reminder of the natural world that surrounds us. As you move through these spaces, you'll notice how each veranda frames a view, like a living painting. Some look out over rolling fields, the grasses swaying hypnotically in the breeze. Others gaze upon lush gardens, bursting with color and life, or tranquil forests, their leaves creating a soothing rustle. These vistas become living artwork, changing with the light and seasons, always offering something new to discover. In the distance, perhaps you catch a glimpse of mountains, their peaks touching the clouds, or maybe a serene lake reflecting the sky like a mirror. In one corner, a cluster of potted plants brings nature even closer. Fragrant herbs mingle with colorful flowers, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. Hanging baskets overflow with cascading blooms, their gentle fragrance carried on the air. The greenery softens the architectural lines, blurring the boundaries between the built environment and the natural world. As day turns to dusk, the verandas transform, taking on a magical quality. String lights twinkle overhead like stars brought down to earth, their warm glow creating an intimate atmosphere. Lanterns cast pools of golden light, their flames flickering gently in the evening breeze. The fading daylight paints the sky in breathtaking hues, perhaps a brilliant orange fading to soft pink, or deep purples giving way to indigo. This daily spectacle, viewed from the comfort of a farmhouse veranda, never fails to inspire awe. Listen closely, and you might hear the soft tinkle of wind chimes, their delicate melody blending with the natural sounds of the environment. Birdsong, rustling leaves, perhaps a distant brook. As night falls, the chorus of crickets and frogs might join in, nature's own evening serenade. It's a symphony of the outdoors, punctuated by moments of serene silence that invite introspection. As the seasons change, so too do these outdoor spaces. In spring, they're adorned with the first blooms of the year, perhaps pots of tulips or daffodils adding splashes of color. Summer sees them festooned with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, the perfect spot for sipping cold lemonade on hot afternoons. Autumn brings a new palette, with cozy blankets in warm hues, and perhaps a fire pit for chilly evenings. Even in winter, these verandas can be a magical place, strung with twinkling lights and offering a sheltered spot to watch snowflakes fall. As our journey through these beautiful spaces comes to an end, take a moment to imagine your own perfect veranda. What would it look like? How would it feel? Perhaps it's a mix of elements we've explored: a cozy seating nook, a view that takes your breath away, the perfect spot to watch the world go by. Maybe it includes a small herb garden or a collection of beloved objects that tell your own story. If you've enjoyed this journey through Rustic Farmhouse Verandas, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more soothing design inspirations. Share with us in the comments your own veranda memories or dreams. Until next time, may your days be as peaceful as a quiet morning on a farmhouse porch, and may you always find a comfortable spot to sit and watch the world go by.